This is Cheetah. Today we're going to learn about something that starts with S and V. Think. It's not the words you think. You might know this or do not know this. Sound vibration. Sound vibration. You know what's sound but not vibration. So let's learn about sound vibration. Come. So some of them can be from your body parts. See? See that sound coming all over? It's making a sound vibration. Sound vibrations are normally when you make loud sounds. It's not like an echo, but sound vibrations are quite interesting. When we do anything like this, or tap the sofa like this, or tap the chair like this, it makes sound vibration. Anything that you hear are sound vibrations. You might not know that, except an echo there. But you think they're a sound vibration, but sometimes it's not a sound vibration, but it is one type of sound vibration. So sound vibration, when we pat, we can't see the little lines that are wiggling going out. They're the sound, and it goes into our ears. See? The more louder you do, the more sound vibration it comes. So, let's try with my board game with Harry Potter. Let's try to pat on it. It's making loud sound vibrations. I'm still explaining it. You might not understand. So, Harry Potter, I do this. Small lines come out, right? Of course. So, take one thing and pat it like that. So, little lines like sun that makes us see, like the sun, little vibrations come out from the sound. Okay? If they come out and make noise, they are sound vibration. Anything you could hear are only sound vibration. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe, share and like. I hope you understand this very well, because this is very important. You'll know why you even created your ears. It makes more sense. I want you to search in Google and more videos in YouTube. Bye, friends.